Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 8 to 14, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Sagittarius. What's up with you ngayong week na ito for Sag? Happy. Wow. So, marami kayong reasons to be happy. Yung ba sa inyo mag-enjoy ngayong week na to? Or meron kayong mga pupuntahan o kung saan it will bring out the best or the child in you, no? Oo, mga masasayang ganap. Ganda. So, very light yung week ninyo. Like, pwedeng mga fun things. You will go to some places or do things na may mga gagawin ka na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Oo. You will just enjoy this week. Tapos sabay may 8 of Swords. So, I think meron kang realizations of the things na nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo, na pwede ka naman talagang mag-break free. Oo. So, I think you are finally coming out of your shell. Yes, with the King of Cups. I feel like someone is going to i-encourage ka na, huy, labas ka naman, gano'n. Huy, samahan mo naman ako, pumunta ka tayo sa ganitong lugar. So, it seems na there is someone in your life right now na in-encourage ka na mas mag-let loose, no? Kumbaga, mas mag-loosen up. At lumabas-labas, mag-enjoy. Oo. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo masyadong busy, maraming ginagawa, but maganda pa rin na meron kayong time to go out, enjoy life. O, diba? Speaking of enjoy life, yung iba magsha-shopping. Oo. Siyempre, nagtatrabaho tayo para to provide for our needs, our family. But at the same time, kasama rin dun yung pag-enjoy. Balance life rin. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong matatanggap na a large sum of money, no? Medyo malaking pera to, pwedeng unexpected, kaya masaya kayo. And I also see some opportunities sa inyong trabaho, sa workplace ninyo. You also have the Queen of Swords. Meron kayong pag-aaralan, maaring meron kayong i-research, mga bagong interest ninyo na pwedeng related sa creativity ninyo, at sa tingin nyo dito kayo mas uunlad, dito kayo mas mag-i-improve, no? And I also see some people na maku-curious, no? Maku-curious about you kasi nakikita ka nila na parang nag-glow, no? Nagkaroon ka ng major glow up, maybe because masaya ka sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. So, they might be asking you na bakit si Sagittarius masayang-masaya. And with the 3 of Wands, I see a lot of opportunities coming in for you, lalo na kung ito ay sa ibang bansa, offshore, no? Malayo sa sayo. Pwedeng may magre-reach out na mag-collaborate, or pwedeng mag-open yung opportunities for you to have clients, buyers from other countries, or to have work sa ibang bansa. You have the 5 of Swords, no? Medyo magiging competitive ka this week. Ito yung tipong ipupurso mo talaga whatever you really want, kahit na mahirap, kahit na merong tao na medyo magta-try to bring you down, no? Pero hindi mo hahayaan yang mangyari. You have the Knight of Cups and the 5 of Cups. So, I see someone here na babalik or magpapakita ng interest uli sa'yo dahil nagsisisi itong person na to sa nagawa niya. Pwedeng nagawa niya sa'yo in the past, or na-realize niya na tama ka. And I don't know kung bibigyan mo to ng chance, no? Kasi pwedeng magkaroon dito ng sumbatan with this person. Mm-mm. You have the moon in Virgo in the 6th house. So, magpo-focus ka sa yung kalusugan. Maaring you will start eating healthy or mas i-improve mo yung iyong fitness, health and fitness. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga bago kayong libangan. Susubo kayo ng bagong libangan like pagka-crafting or paghahalaman. You have the sun in Leo in the 5th house. You are going to tap in to your creativity, no? Mas magiging malikhain ka. Marami kang maiisip na pamamaraan para kumita ng pera. And people will appreciate your talents, your skills. Some of you, magaling kayong tumugtog ng musical instruments or musically inclined kayo, or you have a very special talent na ngayong week na to nare-realize mo na ito na, kailangan ko na tong unti-unti ipakita sa mundo, and you will definitely shine. I also see earning opportunities for you dahil sa creative talents and skills mo. You have the sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house, which is enthusiasm. So you have a lot of energy this week. Kaya siguro maraming makakapansin sa'yo kasi you have this certain energy, certain glow na parang nakakahawa sa ibang tao, no? Na pag nakita ka nila, uy, si Sagittarius, ang saya, ang ganda lang ng energy niya, ang very optimistic, positive vibes lang. So, yes, pagdating sa money, career, finances, you have a lot of choices, maraming opportunities na mag-open up sa'yo. Ang importante lang is don't doubt yourself. So, wag kang mag-second guess sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Trust your instinct in choosing the best possible decision. But regardless, no, ano man na mapili mo, as long as andito yung interest mo, gusto mo, you will gain support from other people and you will also achieve success. So, just make sure lang na umiwas rin sa conflict in terms of pera. Pwede kasing merong kayong makaalitan pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng may utang sa inyo or uutang sa inyo. So, kumbaga, kalmahan nyo lang. So, sa love life naman, meron ditong wedding, codependency, and chemistry. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nagbabalak na kayo na mag-settle down or mas maging seryoso sa relationship na to that you are dealing with because of the chemistry that you have, no? Kumbaga parang nagiging kampante na kayo sa isa't isa. But there's also an energy of obsession or masyadong nagiging dependent sa isa't isa na parang sa kanya na lang umiikot yung buhay mo or sa'yo na lang umiikot yung buhay niya. So, mas maganda na mas maging open kayo sa isa't isa about your expectations. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.